Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for speed multiplication. And this time I am going to take up a method which you will not find anywhere on YouTube or in any book. This is a research based method in which I have combined so many short tricks, and come up with yet another short trick to multiply what? To multiply the 3-digit numbers, and this is the shortest trick which you can get anywhere. So watch the complete video to learn something new, and I'm sure this is going to surprise you and you are going to enjoy the trick. But simultaneously, when I say enjoy the trick, you have to practice it. See, I have practiced it enough and so I know the validity. But if you watch the video only, you will be like, oh, traditional approach is far more easier. So you need to practice, whatever you see, you have to apply, and then at least put in 2 hours of practice so that you know the beauty of the method. Okay, well, I have something for you, the special ebook of short tricks. So if you are looking to aspire to calculate 10 times faster, then WhatsApp 9896369963 right now, and I tell you, in this much cost you will get a thing which is worth this much. Okay, so the complete ebook of short tricks is available with us, 350 short tricks in that. Okay, let's get on with the video and see the first example which I am going to take up. The first example is a question where we have the numbers in 420s. So 423 times 427, right? So when I see these two numbers, these are two special numbers. Why special? Because both the numbers are in 400s, and even the tens, they 420s, 423, 427. So I'm going to restrict myself to these numbers in this video, okay, and I'll show the different methods you can use. So in this case, I know that the number here 42 and the 3, 42 and the 7. So I have two different methods for this. Okay, watch. First thing is, if you take 423, the first number, and add the last digit of this number 7, you get 430, right? And now 430 is to be multiplied by the first two digits here, 42. Now how do you do this? A 0 is obvious there because you have this number ending in 0. So you need to do 42 times 43. So for doing 42 times 43, you can use the Vedic approach. 42 times 43 is, this is 6 and this is 12 and 8 20. 20 means 0 and a 2 carry. 4 4s are 16 and 2 18. So 1806. So I will write 1806 here. And now whatever I get here, 18060, I will suffix another 0 with this result. Now this is mandatory, okay, suffixing 10. And finally, take the unit digits 3 and 7, multiply them. 3 7s are 21, just add 21 to this. You are going to be surprised. 180621 is the product of 423 and 427. It works wonderfully well, but I have something special, one more special thing. Watch. The numbers here are 3 and 7, right? The unit digits, and they add up to 10. And whenever this happens, you have another short trick. But I am not going to restrict it to the numbers ending in 3 and 7. That means the numbers are adding to 10. I'll take different examples, okay? But I'm telling you one more trick for this. See. 423 times 427. So if this and this add up to 10, just multiply these two, 21, and then the number 42 and 42, that is the same number, right? So just do 42 times its next number, 43. You get 1806, just write 1806, you will get the answer, which is same as this. But this is like more logical and applicable universally. So I'll show you one more example, okay? Let's take the example where we have to do 223 and 226. 223 and 226. Now you can see 3 and 6, they are not adding up to 10. So this method doesn't work. We will have to follow the method which I told you here. Let's see. 223 first number plus the unit digit here 6 gives you 229. And now what do I have to do? 229 times the number here. This is 22. Okay. So multiplying 229 by 22, that is what is required now. So how do you find this? 229 times 22. Put a 0 here and use the vertical and crosswise quickly. 9 to the 18, 8, 1 carry. 18 and 4, 22, 23. 23 means 3 and a 2 carry. 4 and 3 carry, that is 4 and 3 carry, right? If I am not forgetting. 9, I'll do it again. 9 to the 18, 8, 1 carry. 18 and 22, 23, 3, 2 carry, right? So 4 plus 2, 6 and 4, 10, 0. 1 carry, and then 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 0, 3, 8. So I have applied the vertical and crosswise to find this solution. So this gives me 5, 0, 3, 8. What do I do with this? 5, 0, 3, 8, suffix is 0, and then unit digits 3 and 6, the product is 18, just add 18 to the result. 5, 0, 3, 9, 8 is the product of these two numbers. See, I can do it more quickly, you know, I'm just wanting to demonstrate properly so that you can understand the logic first and then try to develop speed. Okay, let me take some more examples. See, let's take the example of 864 and 868. So I am challenging myself now. 864 and 868, both are in 86, right? And we have a 4 and a 8 here. So the first number 864, when you add the unit digit 8 here, you get 872, and 872 times the number 86. Now this is what is important. How do you do this? 872 times 86, put a 0. This is 12 to 1 carry. Then we have 7 6 are 42 and 16 is 58, 59, 9 5 carry. Then we have 48 and 56. 48 and 56 is 104. 104 plus 5 is 109. So 9 and a 10 carry. And then the first two digits 64 and 10 74. So 74992, that is the product of these two numbers. So I'll write 74992 here. And after that it is pretty easy. 74992 followed by a 0, and then 4 times 8 is 32. Add 32 to the result, you get 259947. 749952 is the product, and you can check using the calculator now. Right, friends, little bit of practice and you will get through the method. I'll show you one more. See, 591 and 595. So you can see 59 is same. 1 and 5, they are not adding up to 10. Okay, I'll take one more example adding up to 10. That's very easy actually. Right, so 591 plus 5. So I am reducing the number of steps. 591 plus 5 is 596 multiplied by 59. Now this is what I need to do. So I will do it quickly. 596 times 59. So see, always use vertical and crosswise to get this product. And I'm sure you must have worked on your skills, Vedic math skills by now. So this is 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 81, 91, 101, 111 and 116, 6, 11 carry, and then 45 and 45, 90, 101, so 1 and a 10 carry, and then 25 plus 1, 35. So 35164. So I'll write 35164 here, although I don't need to. 35164 0, and then 1 into 5 is 5, so plus 5, that gives you your answer. 35165. And I don't need to check it, you can use calculator and check it. You are not going to get a wrong answer. Okay, should I take one more question in which the unit digits add up to 10? Let's try one more. Okay, that's easy. 652 and 658. 652 and 658. So what is the easiest method for this? 2 and 8, they add up to 10, and the remaining number 65 is same. So my answer will end in 2 into 8, which is 16, and I have something here. What is that something? It is 65 multiplied by the next number 66. So I have to do this multiplication. 6 5s are 30, 03 carry, 36 and 30, 66 plus 3, 69, 9, 6 carry. And then 36 plus 6, 42. 4290 is the product. And if you write 4290 here, you will be surprised you have actually got your correct answer. Right? So lots and lots of such good things are there, which you can practice, and you will find mathematics so beautiful. Okay, I'll do one more. See, 972, and I want to multiply that by 977. So see, these two numbers are same, but these two are not adding up to 10. So I need to follow the method which I told you. What will I do? 972 plus 7 is 979. Multiply that by the first two digits, 97. Now this is the first thing I have to do. So 979 and 97. So put a 0 here. 9 7 are 63. So 3 and a 6 carry. Right? You have to be very quick there. This is 81 and this is 49. So 81 plus 49 is 130. 130 plus 6 is 136. So 6 and a 13 carry. Then 63 and 63. 126, 139. So 9 and a 13 carry again. And then 81 and 91, 94. 94963. Right? That is the product. So I will not write it again. So 94963 and 2 times 7 is 14. Just add it to this. You get 94964, which is the answer for the question.